Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and the study point. Today we discuss top 50 computer MCQ. I hope this video is very helpful for your upcoming exam. Let's start. First question: which programs reduce the size of the files so that they occupy lesser space on the disk? Option A, backup; B, uninstall program; C, file compression; and option D, disk cleanup. And your correct answer is option C, file compression. Next question: popular network operating system include all of the following except option A, network; B, Windows NT Server; C, Windows XP; and option D, Microsoft DOS. And the correct answer is option D, Microsoft DOS. Question number 3: type of software that can be described as end user software. Option A, DOS; B, application software; option C, system software; and option D, operation software. And the correct answer is option B, application software. Next question. Question number 4. DAS provides the user interface, controls the computer's resources, and runs program. Option A, drivers; B, desktop; C, operating system; and option D, menus. The correct answer is option C, operating system. Question number 5. DAS utility identifies non-essential files on the hard disk and erases them only when user allows their erasure. Option A, backup; 2, uninstall program; 3, file compression; and 4, disk cleanup. And your correct answer is option D, disk cleanup. Question number 6. Which of these operating system does not have a graphical user interface? Option A, Windows 95; 2, Mac operating system; 3, Linux; and option D, MS-DOS. And your correct answer is option D, MS-DOS. Question number 7. GUI stand for option A, graphical user interface; B, greater user interface; C, graphical user interface; and option D, graphical union interface. And your correct answer is option C, graphical user interface. Next question. Question number 8. DAS are also known as service programs. Option A, operating system; B, device drivers; C, utilities; and option D, desktop. And the correct answer is option C, utilities. Next question. Question number 9. DAS is a 16-bit code designed to support international languages like Chinese and Japanese. Option A, Unicode; B, EBCDIC; C, ASCII; and option D, digital. The correct answer is option A, Unicode. Next question. Question number 11. From the given list, which is not a type of memory chip? Option A, ASCII; B, RAM; C, ROM; and option D, CMOS. The correct answer is option A, ASCII. Question number 12. The smallest unit in a digital system is a option A, megabyte; 2, text; option 3, bit; and option D, character. The correct answer is option 3, beat. Question number 13. ALU performs two types of operations. Option A, aerial and circular. B, arithmetic and logical. Option C, central and circular. And option D, aerial and linear. The correct answer is option B, arithmetic and logical. Question number 14. ROM stand for option A, read access memory. B, read only memory. C, random access memory. And option D, raw access memory. The correct answer is option B, read only memory. Question number 15. Microprocessors and memory are the important component of option A, system unit. Option B, input devices. Option C, desktop. And option D, output device. The correct answer is option A, system unit. Question number 16. Which among the following is smallest in size? Option A, notebook system unit. B, tablet PC. Option C, PDA system unit. And option D, desktop system unit. And your correct answer is option C, PDA system unit. Question number 17. A 32-bit word computer can access dash bytes at a time. Option A, 4. B, 16. C, 32. And option D, 8. The correct answer is option A, 4. Question number 18. Which of these is not an output device? Option A, monitor. B, plotter. C, joystick. And option D, printer. And the correct answer is option C, joystick. Joystick is an input device. Question number 19. Inkjet, laser and thermal are common types of dash. Option A, keyboard. B, mouse. C, monitors. And option D, printers. The correct answer is option D, printers. Question number 20. Which is the most common type of audio output device? Option A, monitor. B, speaker. C, keyboard. And option D, printer. The correct answer is option B, speaker. Next question, question number 21. The most important characteristics of a monitor is option A, clarity. B, dodge pitch. C, resolution. And D, refresh rate. The correct answer is option A, clarity. Next question, question number 22. The keyboard keys that are labeled F1, F2 and so on are called option A, typewriter's key. B, function key. C, special purpose keys. And option D, numeric keys. The correct answer is option B, function keys. Next question, question number 23. Which of the following device is not from pointing type of device? Option A, mouse. B, touch screen. C, keyboard. And D, joystick. The correct answer is option C, keyboard. Next question, question number 24. Which of the following device is used to play first computer games? Option A, touch surface. B, touch screen. C, joystick. And D, trackball. The correct answer is Option C, joystick. Next question, question number 25. DAIS translates and executes program at runtime line by line. Option A, compiler. B, interpreter. C, linker. And option D, loader. And your correct answer is option B, interpreter. Question number 26. Unwanted repetitious messages such as unsolicited bulk email is known as option A, spam. B, trash. C, Calvary. And D, courier. The correct answer is option A, spam. Next question, question number 27. Which among the following is responsible for allocating IP address and managing the domain name system? Option A, domain name warehousing. B, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. C, Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, domain name warehousing. Next question, question number 28. A generic name for Intel processor released after the original 8086 processor is option A, Pentium. B, x86. C, Pentium 286. And option D, none of this. The correct answer is option A, Pentium. Next question, question number 29. A network that is connected to the internet but uses encryption to scramble all the data sent through the internet is called option A, my network. B, virtual private network. C, social network. And D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, my network. Next question, question number 30. The software tool that enables a user to interact with computer for a specific purpose are known as option A, application. B, hardware. C, network software. And D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, application. Next question, question number 31. The performance of a hard drive or other storage device, meaning how long it takes to locate a file, is called option A, response time. B, access time. C, quick time. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, quick time. Question number 32. The word bandwidth is also used to mean option A, width of the data cable. B, number of the computers on a particular network. C, amount of data transferred. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, amount of data transferred. Question 33. Which of the following tool is not normally used during system analysis? Option A, program flow chart. B, grid chart. C, question checklist. And option D, none of these. Correct answer is option D, none of these. Question number 34. In order to save Word document as a web page, you need to option A, put the appropriate graphics and links on the document. B, save the document in simple text format. C, use your web browser as an editor and save a URL. And D, save as HTML. And your correct answer is option C, use your web browser as an editor and save. Question number 35. The DAS of system includes the programs or instructions. Option A, hardware. B, icon. C, software. And option D, information. The correct answer is option B, icon. Next question, question number 36. The advantage of DRAM is option A, it is cheaper than SRAM. B, it can store more than that of SRAM. Option C, it is faster than SRAM. D. None of these. And option E. Both A and C. The correct answer is option E. Both A and C. Question number 37. A word in a web page that when clicked opens another document is called option A. Anchor, B. Hyperlink, C. Reference, and D. URL. The correct answer is option B. Hyperlink. Next question, question number 38. 1 terabyte or 1 TB is equal to option A 1028 GB, B 1012 GB, C 1000 GB, and option D 1024 GB. The correct answer is option D 1024 GB. Next question, question number 39. Which operating system is developed and used by Apple? Option A Windows, option B Android, option C IE operating system, and option D Unix. The correct answer is option C iOS. Question number 40. Which of the following places the common data elements in order from smallest to largest? Option A character file record field database file, B character record field database file, C character field record file database, and option D bit byte character record field file database. The correct answer is option C. Question number 41. Which of these networks is usually the fastest? Option A 1, B MAN, C LAN, and option D all the networks are equally. The correct answer is option C LAN. Next question, question number 42. Which of the following is a general purpose network? Option A storage area network, B local area network, C enterprise area network, and option D virtual area network. The correct answer is option B local area network. Next question, question number 43. What is the IEEE stand for Gigabyte Ethernet? Option A IEEE 802.3 AB, option B IEEE 802.34, option C IEEE 802.3G, and option D IEEE 802.3Z. The correct answer is option A. Next question, question number 44. Which of the following options acts as a barrier between local area network and the internet? Option A SQL injection, B hashing, C firewall, option D cross server scripting. The correct answer is option C firewall. Next question, question number 45. Which of the following networks uses telephone lines? Option A 1, B LAN, C PAN, and option D wireless. The correct answer is option A 1. Question number 46. Which of the following types of networks is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN or wide area network? Option A PAN personal area network, B MAN metropolitan area network, C CAN campus area network, and option D none of these. The correct answer is option B MAN. Question number 47. For textual chatting on internet, most common chat protocol is option A HLR, B IRC, C H.323, and D SIP. The correct answer is option B IRC. Next question, question number 48. In infrastructures, WLAN Two devices communicate. Option A, directly. B, through wire. C, through routers. And option D, through an access point. The correct answer is option D, through an access point. Question number 49. If computer in a LAN are connected along a single cable, then the name given to such a topology is option A, bus topology, B, star topology, C, mesh topology, and D, hierarchical topology. The correct answer is option A, bus topology. Last question, question number 50. The topology in which every node is connected only to its immediate neighbors is called option A, bus, B, mesh, C, ring, and option D, star. The correct answer is option C, ring. Thank you.